Hey guys, welcome back to Olivia's Lovely Life. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you my Popmart haul. Let's go. So, we are on a cruise ship right now, and we are in Barcelona. We docked, and there was like 2 Popmarts there, and I was like, I never seen a Popmart in my life. I've been dying to go. So we went, and I got 2 things, and I'm so excited to show you guys. And now I love Popmart. Okay, I got a Hachi Poo Poo thing, and they're like scented, and these are authentic. And then this Lazy Yoga Labubu. Which one should be open first? Let's open the Hachi Poo Poos, whatever you call them. So there's a secret. So these are a 1 out of 6 chance, and then the secret is 1 out of 72. The one that I really want is the grape one, but I think I got the pineapple, and of course I want the secret, but okay, let's open it. The satisfying tear tab. Oh, that was so satisfying. Okay, how do you open this? So now, let's unbox it. Oh, I think Popmart started to put these in the bags. Wait, I think it's purple or blue. I think I see it. Okay, here we go. It's the, am I lucky or something? I literally got the one that I wanted, the grape one. And look how cute the card is. I am obsessed. Okay, I'm so excited to see it. When I unboxed my Labubu on my video where I got a Labubu, they were like in the bags, but now they're like in those plastic bags, but now they're in these kind of bags. These are way nicer. Okay. So excited. Let's see what it looks like. Oh my God, it's so fluffy and cute! Look at the purple. Okay, let's see. Smell test. That actually smells like grapes. I wish you guys could smell that. And look, it has a little face. I am so obsessed with this. I love the fur too. And subscribe if I'm saying the name right, and like if I'm saying it wrong, because I have no idea how to say these. It's so cute. I love the smell too. This is going to be so cute on my bag. I love these Hachi Poo Poo things. They're very underrated. Like, these are as good as Labubus, guys. I love it. And they're scented. I love this. Okay. Now we're going to open the Lazy Yoga ASMR, guys. Okay, let's do it. I'm excited for this one too. Okay, that is too satisfying, guys. Way too satisfying. Okay. Oh, wait. These are the ones. This is the one that I want. I really want that. And I think I'm going to get, yeah, sleeping. I want sleeping. And then I think I'm going to get the Americano. It sounds like a lot. And yeah. And of course I want the secret. Okay. Okay, that's it. That's so cute what I got. Wait, this is like on one of my ones that I wanted. She's so cute. Or he. Oh, this one's in a bag. Okay, no. I'm so excited to see what it actually looks like. I've never seen both of these in person. Oh my God, guys, this actually rolls. Look at it, eyes. It's eyes too. And the pink fuzziness, I'm obsessed. Look at it, like rolls. Face and little like sweat. What is this one? Abbey roll. This looks cool. Okay, let's open this. That was actually pretty easy. It's the yoga mat, and then the little clock, 12. I don't know if that's 12 a.m. or 12 p.m. I thought that was going to be like a thingy. Look how cute that is. I am obsessed. Both of these things are going in my room. And probably the Hatchie Poo Poo is going on my backpack. But I love Labubu's and Hatchie Poo Poos. And I am so happy that I went into the PopMart. Okay, bye guys. See you in the next video.